cool slide. Hold on. Oh my gosh, so many pop-ups. That's the one I want. Gotta name this. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope everyone's MKZ, what's up? Hope you're having a great day. Beautiful day. It's kind of nice. Get some Canva going. Ooh, we're missing something. Shoot. Get it from the trash can. Focus on now. Welcome to the AI business training. Show you how to use AI in your business so you can make more money at the end of the day. And you're not having to do a lot of manual work because no one likes manual work, especially when it comes to AI. Well, at the end of the day, I mean, AI just saves you a ton of time. That's nice. What's up? What's up? Hope everyone's having a great day. Figure I get up for the morning stream, see who are my early birds. Oh my gosh, there's a lot going on outside. Talk about some new AI tools. Boom. Oh yeah, that works nice. Look at that. Nice and professional. I like that. Nice. Okay. Let's bring this guy over for top AI tools at the end of the day. Because you need to have AI skills or use AI in your business. If not, oh my gosh, your competition is going to crush you. The people who have AI skills are the only ones making more money in this year. That's the wild thing. I want you guys to be successful, and it comes down to having AI skills, using AI in your business, in your life, in your work. That is how you stay ahead in this digital world. I'll just probably put this slide right here so you can see this when we talk about AI, automation, chatbots. Like, you need to have AI chatbots in your business, AI automation. What's up, Cole? Hope you're having a great day. It's a nice, beautiful Wednesday. I'm looking forward to today. So let's break down AI, automation, all the fun stuff so that you know what is AI. Let's demystify what are the best AI tools that are out there, why you need them in your life, so that you could grow your business and spend more time doing what you want with whom you want, when you want at the end of the day. So this is say if you're a real estate agent, small business owner, really doesn't matter. Having AI in your business is going to be the differentiator between staying competitive. Let's see if we can save that right there. And not. So fundamentally, let's do like the top AI tools that I use every single day. Let's start with that. Let's go here and bring up that list. What are the top 10 tools that I use every single day using AI in my business? I have a cool little list. Let's break these down. Hope everyone's having a great day. Good morning. We're going to learn about AI. My mission is so that you can learn one new AI tool today so that you can work smarter, not harder, get more work done in a day than most can do in a week. And that is really what's going to... Why is Notion being a little... Hold on. Get this open. Are you guys using AI in your business? I'm not talking just ChatGPT, but I'm talking chatbots, automation. Thank you so much for following. It's early. I'm just getting started. Watch this. Okay, so now I'm going to show top 11. There we go. Much easier. Now we can start talking AI. Okay. How many are there now? 12? We don't need Grammarly. No one really gives a crap about Grammarly. And is there anyone else in here? That's pretty much it. Let's simplify this. I like that. Nice. Go ahead and take a screenshot. Eugen says agents. Nice. Let's start with agents. What's your business? EY Guy Tech. And I could tell you where you would add agents to your business so that you could do more with less at the end of the day. And which AI agents you should be using. So these are my top 11 AI tools that I use every single day in my business. From large language models, there's really only two. If I didn't mention it, it's not worth using. So there's ChatGPT Plus and DeepSeek. Service softwares. Can you be a little more descriptive around service softwares? Like, say, I help X with Y. I help real estate agents set up software for their automations. So it's like, that way I know who's your specific niche and what is the service that you sell them to grow your business. That's going to help a lot. And then I can recommend the best tools, how to automate it, which is really fun. So large language models, ChatGPT and DeepSeek are the only two best AI tools that you need. And that's it. I'm not mentioning any of the other ones. They're not really that impressive unless you're doing some coding. If you're doing coding, software development, then of course Claude is going to be at the top of the list for there. But DeepSeek rocked the world this year. It killed Perplexity. Perplexity is dead. Long live DeepSeek now, which is wild. For a fraction of the cost, they're literally changing their business model, which is super sad. So Cider, I know a lot of you haven't heard of Cider. The kid says Anthropic. Yep. Claude's great if you're a software developer or you're doing some programming or you're trying to build an app. Anything in the software world, that's like you're using Cursor, you're using Replit, you're using Claude. Like, Claude is great, but for only coding kind of thing. If you're doing the day in the life, because where I focus on is marketing, how to get more leads and how to get more sales for your business. Like, that's like if you're building an actual product, like an app, sure. Replit, Claude, V0, Cursor, Lovable, all of those are AI tools, but those aren't my demographic. What I use AI for is to help you get more leads, help you get more sales, help you get more, generate more content to attract your ideal clients. Claude is more for product development, basically. So if you need more leads and need more sales for your business, you need to be using copywriting with DeepSeek or ChatGPT Plus. Those are going to help you craft better ads, craft better lead magnets, craft better products or services so that people buy more from you. What would you say is the least cheesy AI for copywriting? I'm not going to say the least cheesy. I'll just say the best. DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Claude is good, but Claude, you have to like really prompt it, and then there's the usage limit, which is so annoying. DeepSeek is actually the best for copywriting. How can AI help getting more leads? You have to put what your business is. I help this specific niche with this product or service. Like, I help real estates generate more leads using Google Ads. Like, that way I can know what your business is and I can recommend the best AI tools that are out there. So copywriting is going to be the fastest way that you're going to improve your 4 irresistible offers: your lead magnet, your low and mid ticket offer, your high ticket offer, and your monthly recurring offer. Changing the words on there and making them more targeted, more specific, that's really what's going to help there. Cindy says, my DeepSeek has stopped working online in UK. You could switch to, you're in the UK, you have Mistral. So, but if it's not the best though, that's what I say. Mistral's great. It's like comparable to ChatGPT, but it's not really going to do it. What's the best certification for tech salespeople for AI and data? Certifications are real trash. Certifications aren't really good unless you're going into like cybersecurity or those type of things. There's really no AI certifications that are really like an employer is going to say, do you have this AI certification from IBM or Coursera? They really don't give a shit about those things. They have no weight in the actual market. Rather, your portfolio. This is your social media and your content, because customers or clients are going to go check you out on your Instagram, your YouTube, your TikTok, and they're going to see a portfolio of your work, your results, your clients' testimonials, what can you deliver, and that's what they're going to make the decision on if they're going to hire you or if they're going to work with you, for example. So you need to have a public portfolio. That's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram are the only three. If I didn't mention it, it's not worth mentioning. So that's how, and then you're going to use ChatGPT for your copywriting, for creating lead magnets, for creating content, for developing your basically your product or your services. It's mostly services, for that way you could craft the right words so that it resonates with the right audience, so that they can understand that your solution is perfect for them. For example, I help entrepreneurs generate more revenue using AI skills. Like, that's my elevator pitch, for example. So my product is AI Community. Sorry, I have to sneeze. Oh my gosh. Woo, nice. MB Driving School says, what's the best website to sell services and online courses? So to sell your services and courses are going to be two separate things. The best two websites right here, if you want to make money online, you need to use these two websites. Do not use Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, WordPress, Webflow. Where's some other ones? Systems.io, Funnels.io. Don't use those for your business. You will not generate revenue online, and clients will not take you seriously. There are only two funnels that are places to build your funnel, and do not build a website. Do not build a website. For the love of God, do not build a website. Websites are dead. They died 10 years ago. You need funnels. There are two funnels that you need for your business. One is a lead magnet funnel, and the second is a sales page. You need to have those two in order to organize the leads that are coming in. As Emerald says, hello, thank you for these amazing tips. Yep, welcome to the AI and Automation Show. My mission is to teach you AI and help you grow your business, get more leads, get more sales online. I'm going to teach you all the best tools and the way to use them to help you grow your business online. So if you're taking time watching the show, please ask your questions in the chat and I will give you the best tips. I do not gatekeep. I will tell you all the best tools to grow your business, because I've worked with over 500 entrepreneurs helping to grow their business, leverage AI so they can have a competitive advantage and they can make FU level of money. That's my mission. So back to websites. Every website, let's do this right here because I'm very visual, if you know. Lead pages. I would recommend number one, lead pages is where you're going to build your funnels. Plural, there's two funnels. We'll go over examples what those funnels are. Not a website. For the love of God, please don't build a website. If you want to make money, build funnels, not websites. Funnels organize and funnel leads and systematically turn them into clients. Websites are basically brick walls that you send clients, and then your brick wall doesn't help you generate more revenue. For example, it's a nice brochure, nice website, has everything on it, about me, services, that's great. But if you look at your analytics and bank account, you're noticing, wow, my website, I spent a lot of money on it and I'm not making money online. Where's the disconnect? So let me break it down real quick. I'm going to show you two examples of what an example one of what a lead magnet is and what is a sales page, for example. So I'm going to show this one, for example. I like this. This is very important, especially when it comes to, we're going to turn this more into like a digital marketing webinar or training. I love digital marketing. Emerald loves this. Thank you so much for the roses. I'm going to drop a ton of knowledge because at the end of the day, I want you to make more FU money. That's my mission. That's why I go live. All right. This is an example of a lead magnet, funnel, or a squeeze page. Technically, it's a funnel. Funnels, by definition, only have one action on the page, one button. That's the definition of a funnel. If you have more than one button on the page, it is not a funnel. It is a website, and that's what's actually preventing you from getting sales online. So, definition of a funnel, it has one button, one action for the user to take. There's no about me, there's no look at my testimonials, there's no here's my bio, there's no here's my products and services, there's no Shopify store. There is one thing on this page. Let's break it down to two things. What makes a lead magnet or squeeze page? They're the same definition, the same thing. Some people in marketing world calls them two different things. Seeker of No, good to see you again, Seeker of No. Good month. Happy Thursday, everyone. I hope everyone's having a blessed day. What's your opinion on Shopify store for selling products? Is it it's a website, but I don't build it. Do not do not, do not, please, do not use Shopify. You can use Shopify on the back end for the operations and do that. But when it comes to marketing, like promoting and marketing and everything you need to actually sell one product online, you need a funnel, you need a funnel, you need a funnel. Your Shopify store, you are not TikTok Shop, you are not Amazon. Customers are not going to come to your store and choose the product that they want from you. For example, that's like a website. Anytime you present more than one option for the customer to choose, do you want this widget? Do you want that widget? Do you want this merch? Do you want this e-product? You've now confused the customer where they're like, I don't know what is the right product for me. You're the expert. Tell me what is the right product for me. That's why I'm hiring you as the expert, because you guys know how to solve my problem that I'm having, and I just want to know what is the one thing I'm missing in my life. For example, the AI community, which has courses on all of this stuff, digital marketing funnel, all the resources you need to skill up so that you can make money online. Okay, so back to it. You need a funnel. This is the first lead magnet funnel where you're going to send cold traffic to. Cold traffic is from your social media profile, the link in bio. Do not use link trees. Do not use link trees. Those are, again, like websites. You're presenting multiple options for the customer. Anytime you present multiple options, the customer gets confused, doesn't know which path is the right one for them, and so they bounce, they leave, they do not buy. That's why I don't recommend link. So lead magnet. What's on this page? Let's break it down to what a lead magnet is. Notice that there's no video on it. Right here it says how to get 10, 30 or more predictable sales appointments every single month. That's your elevator pitch. That's the ideal benefit. That's what you're selling as the dream outcome. So when people are like buying a product or a service from you, what is the transformation that they're going to get from buying your product or service? You're going to consolidate that into a dream elevator pitch statement, so that because they only have 5 seconds to spend on this page and determine, is this the right page for me? If they can't do that in 5 seconds, you have a high bounce rate, you're not generating emails, and you're not generating sales. Please put your AI and business questions in the chat. I will be happy to answer all of them, but just do know you do have to follow my TikTok account so that I can answer your questions. It just goes to wake up the algorithm so that more entrepreneurs can come in. That's all. So MB Driving School says, so how can I get more leads and traffic without a website? You cannot. It is physically impossible because when you get traffic, where are you going to send them to? Where are they going to sign up for your email list to become a lead? And then where are they actually going to go to buy? So you need a website, you need a lead magnet, and you need a sales page. 3 things that you need to make money online: a lead magnet page, a sales page, and traffic. We could go into like what traffic is because you need traffic, which is going to come from 2 places and only 2 places on this God's green earth: organic content and paid ads. Those are the only 2 things that bring traffic. Think of it like roads to a business, physical roads to a business. You just opened a brand new business physical location virtually online. That's like your website. Your website is basically, funnels. Funnels is basically like the physical building of your business where customers can come and buy. And the roads is the traffic. There are only 2 roads that lead to your business: paid ads and organic content and lives. Those are the only 2 rows that send people to your physical business for them to buy. You can't have one or without the other. If you have traffic but no funnel, you're not generating sales. If you have a funnel but no traffic, you're not generating sales. You have to have both in order for you to do what I call digital marketing. Digital marketing, by definition, is capturing the attention of your ideal client through paid ads or organic content or going live, and then showing them irresistible offers to get them to raise their hand to say, oh my God, I've struggled with that pain point. Oh, your product or service can help me transform or move away from pain and transform into a better life. And improvement in health, wealth, or relationships are always the main things. Lucky says, I'm building a AI ed tech app and I want to build a community behind it. How do I achieve this? Great question, Lucky Dice. Also, are you a follower? You got to make sure you're a follower before I answer your question. But yes, you have to get the You have to build community before you build the app or product. A lot of entrepreneurs do the mistake. They do the backwards. They say, I built an amazing product. Now I got to go find customers. Thank you so much, Lucky. So that it's actually reverse. You actually build the community first, deliver value, and then they will tell you what that product is. For example, when I on my TikTok account, for 30 days, I created content. I should be logged in. There we go. Let me go here. Okay, so for 30 days, I created content, and I wanted to figure out what is the product or service that people wanted. So as I created content, it's like putting up like feelers, basically. I found out through people following the content that, oh, that's interesting. 4,000 views when I talk about make.com automations. Oh, that's interesting. That is a 3x more views than any of my other videos. Oh, that's interesting. I should probably create a product around using make.com to automate your business and how to use AI agents in your business. That was the first product that I launched, and that actually got me my first 30 customers or members. I like to call them members inside my AI community. That is so community first, product second, because your product, you could build the best product, think it's the most amazing thing, and also that it solved a huge problem in your life. But the next thing is that when you go to market it, you're going to have a very difficult time, because here's the main problem. This is called market research and product market fit. Everything I'm talking about is in the realm of digital marketing. So product market fit and market research is going up to 100 people and saying, hey, you're my ideal client entrepreneur that wants to make money online. What is the top 3 things that keep you up at night? And their number 1 is like, oh, I need to use AI in my business. Number 2, I can't, it's very hard for me to get leads online. I need to learn digital marketing. And third, I can't fall behind because my competitors will crush me if they're using AI and digital marketing to get ahead. Where can I go to learn AI and digital marketing so I can make money online? And I go, oh, that's really interesting. Good to know. I surveyed a bunch of entrepreneurs. That was the top 3 things that kept them up at night. I said, I should probably create a community that teaches people digital marketing, AI, and automation. And that's how I got my first 30 clients in 30 days. Or I like to say members. Please forgive me. 30 members in 30 days. Aaron, welcome on YouTube world. I'm live streaming on YouTube and TikTok. Hope everyone honestly is having a blessed day. I appreciate each and every one of you. I want nothing but the best and success. So I just share my gratitude. Aaron says, I know there's a big need for companies needing Google reviews. I want to make a software that helps automate the process. What are your thoughts? Excellent. So that's actually one of the products that we sell. Or I'm sorry, let's put it this way. Back to the website topic, and this will answer your question, Aaron. Every business needs a website. Every business needs every business needs a funnel. Every business needs a funnel. Every business needs a funnel. There are only 2 tools that I recommend. Trust, I'm not sponsored by any single software app. If I use it, it helps me make more money and it helps my clients make more money. So I only use the best. There's only 2. There's Lead Pages for building funnels, but to answer Aaron's question, Go High Level. Go High Level is the standard for automation and marketing tools. What's up, Bragging Rights? Good to see you. Emerald, thank you so much for the rose. I appreciate each and every one of you. Go High Level is the only tool to automate your marketing for your business. This is what the tool that you're going to use to automate for those companies that need Google reviews. For example, I like barbershops as a really good simple example. Barbershops, they have no website, they have no funnel, they have no automation. They just hope that the phone rings and a client is interested. So in order for them to get more leads and get more sales, they need a funnel, they need traffic, and they need automation. So let's break it down just how to get traffic for at least barbers is they need to be running Google ads is the easiest way. So when someone types haircut near me, they see the Google ad, then they go to their funnel, not website, funnel. On the funnel, it says, hey, first time haircut, $19. Enter your email or click here to claim the coupon. So that's a lead magnet. They're not saying, here's our barbershop, here's the hours, here's our services, here's all the people, here's our menu. That's the worst thing that you could send. So you need a funnel that says, hey, you are interested in a haircut. How would a $19 first time haircut sound? Irresistible offer. That's a lead magnet. Then they opt in. The business owner calls them, delivers a service. Now they need the Google review. This is where Go High Level is. Go High Level is doing all this for you as well too. Go High Level has automation in it. So once they finish the service, the business owner, a lot of people don't know what a CRM is. Go High Level. A CRM allows a business to track all their leads and sales and organizes them in a very clear, let's see, screenshot. I think I could do this one. Here we go. Yeah, I could use this. Okay, cool. This is a CRM. These are stages of the sale process. New lead, booked appointment, complete sale, for example. These are the stages of their sales process. Every business, if you want to make 3, 5, or 10 times more money, you need to have a CRM to organize all the leads and sales in different stages, so you know where your customers are in your buyer's journey to move them closer to sales. After they complete the service, you're going to move them to a get review. So they come in as a new lead for the barbershop. They go and book an appointment. It's the next stage. Then they complete the service. Once they complete the service, Go High Level will send an email and text to that customer and said, hey, thank you so much for coming to our barbershop. I would love it if you can give us a 5-star review, or a review. We'll say not incentivize them, but just say a review. In Go High Level, you could set up forms. And if they fill out the form, they're not filling out the Google form or Google review yet. This is a hack. They fill out the form and it says, hey, please, was it 1 star, 5 star? Please rate our service. If it's a 1 star, it immediately sends an email and notification to the business owner that says that customer has a 1 star and here's their complaint. Go fix it. So that business owner is going to immediately get on the call and try and win back that customer, so they come back again and increase more revenue for the business and continue the purchase over time. Now, if they hit a 5-star, then Go High Level will automatically redirect them to the Google page for them to leave a 5-star Google review. This is kind of like how you filter out bad reviews and leave only good reviews. But it's also just to also be proactive, so the business owner can get ahead of any customers that they may think they did a great service, but they may have trimmed too short. They didn't listen to the instructions. They may have left too much hair on their face, for example, left a subpar experience, so they can immediately fix their service so that more customers come in and do that. So Aaron, you're going to use Go High Level. We're actually going to teach a course on Go High Level later this month inside the AI community. The AI community basically has courses on all the things that I'm mentioning right now: digital marketing, AI, automation, make.com, agents, chatbots, and so much more, especially how to create content. So thank you so much. Hope everyone's having a great day. Please put your questions in the chat and we will answer them. Thank you so much. Aaron says, can Go High Level send multiple email reminders? Yes. Go High Level is an all-in-one. Sorry, the lighting is too bright. Let me fix the lighting. I'm too white. I swear I need a tan. There we go. That's better. I was like too white. Let me bump it up one more. Sorry, I'm obsessed about lighting. Okay, that's better. The lighting in the background is always messing the lighting. Okay, Go High Level, yes. Okay, let's dive right into this. Everyone loves this presentation. Go ahead and take a screenshot. This is the path that you're going to go to learn AI or use AI and automation both in your business or to sell it as a service. So what we're talking about is marketing systems. You need to have marketing systems like Go High Level and automation in your business in order for you to generate more sales. If you don't have a funnel, if you don't have an email marketing tool, if you're doing everything manually, for example, that is why you're not generating enough revenue. We need to automate your business. We need to use the right tools. Actually, using outdated tools or cheap tools will cost you money in your business. That's the worst thing, is to be cheap on your business. You have to spend money to make money. So if you want automation where you can send automatically, where actually the system will automatically send, sorry, it's like focus on my face. There we go, cameras. And so basically, if you want your automated marketing system to automatically send text and email reminders to remind clients of services, promotions, come on in for, sorry, lighting. I'm obsessed with like photography, so sorry. I want to make sure I'm nice and clear and sharp too. And so basically, Go High Level is going to be the all-in-one tool to help you send out automatic texts. For example, at 12 o'clock today, I have a live office hours with my AI community members. It's about 30 entrepreneurs that are going to jump on the call. I'm going to give them updates on AI, answer their AI questions, and show them how to make more money with AI. That happens at 12 to 1 p.m. every Tuesday and Thursday. My automated system automatically sends those email reminders so that people are like, "Oh, I'm just busy. Sorry, I forgot the kids. It was a busy morning, but thank you so much for sending me that email reminder. I will be there at 12 o'clock so that I can stay up to date with AI." That happens completely automatically without me having to do anything. That's automation. Automation is in your business. So when it comes to automation, there's only 3 tools for automation. Tool number 1, oh man, the lighting. The sun is like, there's like clouds and it's like, oh, sorry. I just deal with it. Tool number 1 is your marketing automation. That's Go High Level. Tool number 2 is Make.com. That's going to streamline. If there's any manual tasks, you got to manually fill out the forms, manually do contracts, manually onboard people into your course or community, manually send out coupons, manually answer questions. That's where automation is going to come in. The automation is going to be Make.com, N8N agents, and AI chatbots, and AI voice receptionists. For example, I posted in the community. Here's a great business challenge. Businesses miss calls. If you miss calls, you actually miss sales, and that client is now off to your competition. So you, as a business owner, cannot afford to miss calls, because when the customer called you, they're like, "I want you and your services now. But if you can't answer the phone, you're not reliable. I'm going to go to your competitors who actually do pick up the phone." So you need an AI receptionist. We recommend a few tools inside the AI community that you can set up an AI receptionist in like 10 minutes. It costs only $49 a month to set up an AI voice receptionist. That AI voice receptionist knows, 1, everything about your business. 2, will answer every call, 10 calls simultaneously, and 24/7, 365. Nights, weekends, it never sleeps. Then it will answer all the questions that the customer has about your product or service. It sounds very human. You can't tell the difference. And then once the call is done, it will send you an email summary and say, "Hey, John Smith just called. He's interested in your services. Here's his phone number and email. Go ahead and call him back when you're free." All that happens automatically, so the business will generate more revenue leveraging AI voice receptionists in their business. Same for AI chatbots. AI chatbots live on the website so that they can answer questions. For example, if you go to my website, simpletechskills.com, I make it very easy. I have an AI chatbot there. I used to get 20 emails a day, questions about the products, questions about the services. Does John do one-on-one coaching? How much is everything? This chatbot knows everything about my business, is available 24/7, and will answer every question, then send me a nice little report at the end of the day saying, "Hey, these are all the people that asked questions today. These were their questions. This is how I answered them." And then if I see a question, I'm like, I didn't give you the answer to that question. Then I'll go back to his brain, add that question and answer, and then he gets smarter every single day. And so that's why AI chatbots at the end of the day, AI chatbots help you make more money online. That's really it. So that's chatbots. Let's go back to here. Chatbots, funnels, lead magnets. That's the basic funnel of like, how do you use AI in your business? to make more money and to generate more revenue. You have to start actually with the foundation, which is the productivity level. Like you as an entrepreneur, how many people are entrepreneurs on this live? Put a Y in the comments if you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, you sell you're actually selling a product or service and actually making at least $1,000 from it. Put a Y in the chat. Bragging Rights says Y. Awesome. Just kind of seeing like who's the entrepreneurs on the call. That way I know where you guys are. Good day. Good to see you too, Bragging Rights. DTF says, what AI chatbot do you recommend? It's called Chatbase, ChatBase, Chatbase. We teach it in the community. We teach you how to actually set up the chatbot correctly and put it on your funnel, not your website, funnel. Don't put a chatbot on your website. That's the worst thing that you could do. You need to have a funnel first, and then you have a chatbot second. But again, we teach all this in the course. Aaron says, why? Awesome. 2 entrepreneurs on this call. Perfect. Aaron and Bragging Rights. So for Aaron and Bragging Rights, Seeker of No says, why? Sorry, I used y, lowercase y because I haven't launched yet. That's okay. That's okay. You want to launch a product or service. You want to start your business as well, too. That's perfectly fine. Bragging Rights says, going to the office hours today. Nice. I will see you. You got that email notification with the Zoom link. So I will see you in 2 hours, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 2 hours for our office hours. And I'm going to blow your mind there to help you. Also, sorry, it's like, oh yeah, that works too. So yeah, we have office hours every Tuesday and Thursday, basically. Sorry, the camera, to basically answer your questions, show how you could make more money with AI. And also we kind of just do business coaching as well too. So this is the path for all the entrepreneurs on the call to basically, this is the foundation of skills that you have to level up in and add to your business. Do not skip. Don't just go straight to chatbots if you don't have your marketing or you don't have your productivity skills. Like, you're going to be in for a very bad time. You're going to be like, oh, these AI chatbots don't work. I'm not making more money. I played with chatbots that John recommended. Oh yeah, but I don't have a website or I don't have a funnel and I haven't updated my productivity skills. But you know what? Chatbots suck. And it's like, no, you have to go through this path in order to level up, to reap all the benefits that each of these AI solutions have, for example. So let's start with the foundation. These are the top 11 tools that every entrepreneur needs in order to operate at peak performance. Peak performance. What is peak performance? Getting more done in a day than most do in a week, for example. Please feel free to take a screenshot. These are the best AI tools that we teach in the community to show you how to make money online using, these are your daily skill sets, the software you use to be very, very efficient online. You've got your tasks, your projects management. You're using the best AI tools, one for big projects, one for small tasks. You have an AI digital note taker. You have a digital notebook such as Notion. You have the best live streaming app. You're also using other apps for creating content. You're doing webinars and presentations and video sales letters using Canva. You have Chatbase, which is chatbots on your website. These are just the productivity tools, just so that you are touching a computer efficiently and not wasting time. Also on here, I should probably put it here because a lot of people just don't have it, or it's like, let's just like get the elephant out of the room. Mac computers, not PC. So let's change this to 12. You cannot make money online with the Windows computer. Sorry, it's just not going to happen. Let's see. Interested as a dev, you got me wanting to create a custom chatbot. Yeah, that's cool, but a lot of developers and app builders want to come to this channel. This isn't honestly the channel for you. This is just for entrepreneurs that want to make money online. There's a whole developer side of AI and automation and like large language models. Unfortunately, those aren't my ideal clients. My ideal clients are regular entrepreneurs that don't have tech skills but want to use AI and automation to make more money online along with digital marketing. So it's like, I wish I had better resources, but I don't support nothing wrong. Developers, I mean, there's plenty of tools, but most of my entrepreneurs don't know how to code. So I need to give them solutions that they need so that they can make more money without having a single line of code. So with that, that's the setup right here. So take a screenshot. First one is Mac computers. You cannot make money online or run a business on Windows. Sorry, you're actually just bottlenecked your computer. I would actually I would only give a Windows computer to my enemies and to my competition, and I will happily, again, all these things right here save you more time. That's all. They save you, on average, everything in here will save you 8 hours in a day. You get an extra 8 hours every single day by using the right technology. If it's not on this list, it's outdated, and you're working inefficiently. You're spending more time on a task trying to do a project, like trying to do marketing, trying to create content, trying to run your business, trying to do coaching calls, trying to service your clients, trying to develop your product. All of those skill sets require the best AI tools for your business. Soft coffee break. Wonderful. So take a screenshot, 5 seconds. This is just productivity. Before you touch AI and like chatbots and AI and ChatGPT and stuff like that, these are the top tools that you need to have and use every single day in your business. Nice. That's productivity. Next one's marketing. Marketing is funnels, automation. Is Windows ideal for? Nope. Windows is not ideal for anything other than gaming. Unfortunately, do not think you could grow a business on a Windows computer. It's not going to happen. You're going to have a miserable time. For example, I coach right now, I have 12 entrepreneurs in my high ticket coaching program that I coach them on how to make more money for their business. It's 100% of the time. Whenever they come on to our first 2 coaching calls, and they have a Windows computer, we waste 2 hours just trying to troubleshoot the Windows computer. Password's not set up, driver's not issued, blue screen of death, bad Wi-Fi, software doesn't work, computer's outdated, too slow, buggy. Like there's so many issues with Windows that it's like we waste 2 hours before we get to the making money part of like them trying to figure out their computer going, wait, I just have to install the software. Oh, we got to find an alternative. And oh my God, I got to call tech support and I got to call Geek Squad. And oh my God, it's like, we just wasted hundreds of dollars on this call because you need to update your technology. So trust, I worked in Silicon Valley, and every startup that's making millions of dollars, they give Mac computers to their employees because they know time is money. They're not going to waste their time on a Windows platform or computer. So that's just the first one. That's just in productivity. So especially in marketing, if you're running your website on Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, WordPress, Webflow, Systems.io, Funnels.io, ClickFunnels, like you're not going to make that much money. ClickFunnels is like has a high learning curve and is like super advanced for a lot of people. That's like they waste most of their time just trying to figure out the software. So it's like there's only 2 funnel tools for your website to get more leads, to get more sales online. That's Leadpages and Go High Level. Those are the only 2 tools, and you're going to build funnels. 2 funnels, one for your lead magnet. I showed it in the previous thing. One for your lead magnet and one for your sales page. That's how you generate sales online on autopilot. If you don't have those, then all your marketing effort is going to be a waste of time. Marketing is content or paid ads. And here's the definition of content. Let's break this down in marketing. What is content marketing? Content marketing is defined by 2 things. Number 1 is volume, and number 2 is value. Let's talk about volume. Minimally, you need to post 3 short form posts on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, plus go live minimally 3 times a week. This is a 3x3 rule, minimally. If you're under that threshold, you're not doing content marketing in any shape, way, or form. You're doing what's called post and hope. You're posting content and you're hoping people buy, which you're noticing, oh, I post content, but it's not getting me more sales. So that's why volume, you need to increase the volume. We show you what are those tools. I show you how I post 6 times a day, every day, 7 days a week to get more leads for my business. And so next is value. Your content what the definition of content is, it's a tip, a framework, a roadmap, a resource, something of value that the customer client can use and get a result without having to pay you. So let's break that down. So for example, let me go to my homepage. When people want to learn AI agent and AI agents, they'll go to my YouTube channel and they'll watch this video. This video is a great example of what content is. You could watch this video, know nothing about make.com, automation, or automating your social media. And by the end of the video, you've built your first make automation, you've automated your social media content, and now a process that took you 45 minutes to create one piece of content now takes 5 seconds. That's a quick win, and you didn't pay me anything to get that result. So once people watch that I highly recommend, it's completely free on my YouTube channel. Once people watch that video and go through that tutorial, they're like, oh my God, this was great. What else do you have? And then they sign up for the AI community, and then they binge all the other courses on make.com, automation, prompt engineering, digital marketing, content creation. We have a ton of courses. I love it. So that is the definition of what content is. So let's repeat what content is. Content number one is volume, posting 3 short form pieces of content a day, plus going live 3 times a week. Same schedule every day. Do not miss. The algorithm will ding you if you're like, oh, I only want to post Monday through Friday. Ain't gonna happen. You're a business. You have to get traffic to your business, and that's the only way. Or it's either that or paid ads at the end of the day. So from that, that's what you're sending traffic to, your lead magnet, not your sales page. It has to go towards your lead magnet. The lead magnet is the only link in your bio, not a link tree, not a website, not a buy now. It's literally just goes to the lead magnet to turn social media visitors into leads, people that give you their email, that raise their hand, that they say they're interested in your product or service or learning more. So that's content marketing. That's how you generate sales directly from posting content. I don't recommend faceless channels. Faceless channels are, you have to show your face on camera. Like, you have to show your face in order for you to build a personal brand, to build trust, to deliver value for the customers, to trust who you are and what you do, so that you're shown as the expert in your niche, the trusted advisor, so that they come to you for all AI training, AI consulting, best AI advice, like whatever you are as the expert in your niche. Go ahead and put a Y in the chat if you're finding this valuable. Let me know. I like to see everyone. It's always good on a nice Thursday today, which is really good. And then we'll go into the next level. We'll go into funnels. So put a Y in the chat if you're finding this valuable, and then we'll get into funnels. Plus, it gives me a break I need a water break. You gotta hydrate. What? No whys? I'd see bragging rights liked it. Aaron says why. Doug Post says why. That's all. Bragging rights says why. Cindy says follow. Mimi, good to see you, Mimi. I missed you, Mimi. Awesome. Good to see you. Thank you. Okay, cool. So let's keep going. Let's break into funnels. This is an entire sales process or funnel. This is how I get paid clients and memberships into my AI community completely on autopilot. It's very similar for what yours is. So this is basically an entire marketing it's technically called a lead acquisition system, basically how you systematically get leads that turn into sales. Mimi's like, hi, happy Thursday. By the way, to our AI community members on this call, in an hour and a half, we have our office hour meeting. So you should have got the Zoom link, and then I will see you in our AI community. I'm looking forward to I always love our office hours. They're always so fun. So number one on the left-hand side is traffic. Traffic's going to come from organic content or paid ads. Those are the only 2 places where people are going to traffic to your lead magnet. Notice it's not the sales page. It's not the website. It's your lead magnet. You have to have a lead magnet in order for you to grow your business. I could tell exactly how much revenue you're making based on how many emails that you have. That's actually it's a direct correlation. How many emails you have in your email list is a direct correlation of how much monthly revenue you're generating, which is interesting. Then once you have their email, before you ask for the sale, you need a conversion event. This is very important. A conversion event is a webinar, masterclass, free training, 5-day challenge, or going live. Any of those qualify as a a conversion event. It gets all your prospects or your leads from your email list to get some value in a focused time period where you can deliver value. You can help them get a quick win. And then at the very end, you're pitching your low ticket offer. You need to have a low ticket offer for them to spend some money with you, for them to then come back and say, oh, wow, I spent $49 in John's AI Academy. I've learned so much in AI that it saved me 20 hours a week that I could spend more time growing my business. This is awesome. I now want the annual plan. They'll ascend to the next level. They'll upgrade to the annual plan, and then they're like, I want John's one-on-one because I want more access to him. So I'll buy the annual plan, get a 1 hour one-on-one with John. And I also want access to the twice a week office hours so I can meet the community, learn from other entrepreneurs that are leveraging AI in their business to make more money. And so that is the process that you need to have a conversion event. If you're not generating consistent sales every single week, you're not doing enough conversion events. Webinars, masterclasses, free trainings, 5-day challenges, and also going live are like your conversion events, for example. So that is the whole process of how I create content that funnels people systematically into my business and then upsell my products or services, for example. Quick ad. If you guys are finding this valuable, go to simpletechskills.com. You can use the QR code. I have a 100 best top 100 AI business tools. I have a 4-hour ChatGPT course. I have an AI agent course for free, and then you also get exclusive access to my Saturday AI Q&A. It's not live streamed, it's not saved anywhere online. It's completely online so that I can help entrepreneurs. It's all completely for free every Saturday from 10 to 11 a.m. So go ahead and grab that link at simpletechskills.com. Wait a couple seconds. Nice. And then if you want some more free content, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube channel. All of my lives are recorded here, so you can rewatch any of the lives that I do. You could also see I have 743 videos. Jesus. So you can binge my library, my Netflix library of, I wonder if I have more videos than Netflix. That would be kind of funny. Who knows? That you can see free videos on marketing, AI, automation, and productivity. It's all there completely for free on my YouTube channel. Nice. So back to our funnel, let's talk about automations. Well, actually, let's just quickly talk about live streams. If you want to make money online, you have to go live. You have to go live. You have to go live. Live sales are where it's at. Going live is critical for your business, for your marketing, for traffic, for conversion events. It's going to make you stand out compared to all the other competitors in your niche. So that's why I highly recommend you have to go live. You have, and consistently, same time, same day, every single week. Do not miss. I go live 3 times a day, which is insane. People are like, how do you go live 3 times a day? Well, I'm so productive because I use these top 11 tools, which buys me back free time. So I use these 11 tools to work more efficiently, which buys me free time, which then I use to reinvest in more marketing. So then I could go live and post 6 times a day. So live streams are very, very important. That's where you're going to convert your leads and sales. You're also going to be shown as a trusted advisor to help to give a ton of value away so that people go, oh my God, I've learned so much from John's webinar, more than any other AI webinar. I've learned digital marketing. I learned about funnels. I learned about content. I learned about the top 11 productivity tools, and we're only 52 minutes in. Dang, I got to follow this guy. He's dropping so much interesting stuff. All right, next one is going to be automations. Automations is how to automate your business to, again, save more time. If there's manual tasks in your business that you just find laborious, it takes a bunch of, if it's taking time away from you doing marketing and sales, that's a good opportunity for automation. There are only 2 tools for automation, make.com. Of course, Go High Level, I should say, because you should have Go High Level for your marketing to automate your emails, your follow-up, your Google reviews. All of that should be automated already. Then next level, get into make.com. Make.com is how you're going to work with AI agents to then delegate tasks for them to create content, to write the blog post, to create the images, to post automatically, or to automatically fill out a form, to answer emails, all your AI personal assistants. It's going to be built in Make.com. Make.com is going to automate all of these day-to-day stuff. Very important. Then if you want to get into agents, what's up, Jazz? Good to see you, Jazz. Jazz, you got to join the AI community. I'm not going to lie. We have our office hours in an hour and 40 minutes where we meet every week for the annual members. So I see you want to make more money online. I appreciate you, Jazz. So join the community so that you can. We only have 13 memberships left at the low price. After that, the price will immediately double. So I do not recommend waiting. Join the community. It's the lowest price it will ever be for history. And then the prices will immediately double right after those 13 memberships are gone. Once they're gone, and you can get them at simpletechskills.com. So AI agents. AI agents are basically, these are autonomous robots that you can give them a goal and task, and they will accomplish that task for you with some set of tools. So by definition, let's just go definition wise. What's the difference between an AI assistant, or let's put it this way. What's the definition between an AI automation and an AI agent? An automation is a predefined workflow. Step 1, step 2, use this tool, do this task, then do this, then save it here. For example, automating your social media content. Here's an idea, write the script, go research, go write the script, go rewrite it for Instagram, rewrite it for TikTok, rewrite it for LinkedIn or Pinterest or X, whatever your content wherever you post. Honestly, the only 3 places to post content is TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. That's it, honestly. And so this is a predefined step 1, step 2, step 3 to do this task faster. That's an AI automation using Make.com. An agent is different. An agent, you give it a goal, you give it a brain. Like a brain could be any of the large language models, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Llama, any of those brains. Claude, really doesn't matter. Then your agent has a set of tools. Could be your calendar, could be linked to your CRM, could be a link to calculators, or it also could be linked to like LinkedIn, for example. And then you give it a goal. Your goal is like, hey, I want you to automatically book this event on my calendar and send John an email. So then you give that goal to an AI agent. The agent's going to use the brain and the tools to kind of work back and forth to try and figure out how, with those tools, how am I going to accomplish this task? Oh, I should probably check the calendar availability first. Perfect. And then I'm probably going to go back and say, oh, I should probably send an email. So let me get the email tool. So let me go and send that. So it's kind of like choosing its own adventure. It's picking its own tools. Bragging Rights asks a good question. Why is Facebook not good to post on? Facebook is a dying platform. The quality of leads, you'll get higher quality of leads on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. That's where your ideal client is mostly spending their time and money, honestly. That, and then TikTok, Facebook is honestly they're spamming both their platform with a bunch of bots. So it's very hard. He's like, I hate Facebook. No views. Yeah, it's like, why post there? Facebook, LinkedIn, X. Those are all dead platforms. Don't waste your time posting content on there. It's not going to help you grow your business in any shape, way, or form. Top 3 platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. That's all. Also, the content that you post, video. And your face. Has to be your face. That's how you grow a personal brand and so forth. Eliazid says, is Claude 3.7 useless? No, Claude is specifically for developers. If you're building an app or you're writing code, that's what Claude is for. The only 2 apps that you should be, or 3 apps that you should be using for AI is ChatGPT Plus. You have to be on the Plus plan. Don't think you're going to be on the free plan and get any amount of work done. You have to be on the Plus plan. DeepSeek, which is free, And then Cider's for your small minor tasks. It's a writing assistant. It's gonna help you with small AI tasks because that you don't need to go to ChatGPT and DeepSeek for example. Those are the only three AI tools that you need to make money online, to grow your business, to get more leads, to get more sales, to increase your productivity. Essentially, if you're a software developer, you're building apps, you're coding, that's Claude, that's Replit, that's Cursor, that's V0, that's Lovable. That's a whole different side of TikTok. This isn't coding TikTok. Bragging Rights says Instagram is good for digital marketing. 100% yes. That's where your customers are hanging out for entertainment. So that's where you should show up as your business, to actually create content on there so that you grab their attention, and then you deliver value, and then you ask for them to sign up for your lead magnet or your call to action. For example, if you go to simpletechskills.com, you get my top 100 best AI tools. You get a full ChatGPT 4-hour training. You get how to build AI agents, for example. Elia Ziz says, I don't do any coding, just marketing. Then don't use Claude. You need ChatGPT Plus. Why is the plus on the ChatGPT worth it? For building custom GPTs and usage limits, and also the voice feature. You need a daily driver, a daily AI tool to help you with projects and tasks, especially actually I have my ChatGPT open right here. Because the first thing that you're going to do is build a business, a marketing coach. So for here, you can see my army of AI assistants. These are all for projects and automation, which is what ChatGPT is really designed for. Building these custom GPTs that are designed for any task or project that you do over and over again, like marketing, writing blog emails, creating newsletters, creating content. You shouldn't be starting new conversations over and over and over again. That's not efficient. That's why in the course, we teach you how to use ChatGPT properly. That's why it's a 4-hour course. We teach you how to build custom GPTs, so that the first one you should build for all my entrepreneurs on the call, the first custom GPT that you should build is a marketing copywriting coach. That's going to help you craft and improve your 4 irresistible offers, which is a lead magnet offer, low ticket offer, high ticket offer, and monthly recurring revenue offer. You need to have 4 offers or 4 use copywriting to craft those 4 irresistible offers so that you can make more money online. You can sell more products. Your customers will know what they're signing up for example. So that's why you need to pay for ChatGPT Plus to build custom GPTs to help you with any of your tasks, usually your marketing tasks in your business, for example. I have 15 minutes, and then I got to go eat lunch before I get on my call with my AI community members, which I'm excited for. I got to bring them up to date on the latest AI tools. AI avatars, we got to talk about what are AI avatars so that they can use a digital twin. They don't even have to be on camera. I'm going to show them an AI digital twin that they can use to create content, and they don't have to record their face on the camera. I'm excited about that. We got to talk about I got to give them a Cider demo so that they're using Cider properly. We just had a couple members sign up for it, and they're already in the comments like, I love Cider. This is amazing. But I need to show them exactly how to use it. Perry, good to see you, Perry. Hi, Perry. Nice to meet you, Perry. Welcome to the AI and Automation Show. I help you make FU type money with AI and automation and digital marketing too, because I love digital marketing. Perry, please take a screenshot. I highly recommend. These are my top 11 AI productivity tools that every entrepreneur needs in order to operate at peak performance. If you're an entrepreneur, you're almost like an elite athlete. You need what do athletes do? They train, they use the best tools and resources, they sharpen and practice their skills so that when they go on the playing field, they are faster, smarter, they move quicker than their competition on the playing field, because it's very competitive in your business, in your industry. That's why you need these 11 tools. They're going to give you an insane combined. All these tools will save you 8 hours a day. I know it's like, that's an entire workday. It's like, that's how much time you're wasting not using these tools. They will save you 8 hours every single day. I guarantee it. That's why I love these tools. These tools allow me to saves me a bunch of times, like having an army of AI assistants, so that I could work smarter, not harder at the end of the day. All right, let's bring it down to What else? Where should we go? AI voice, digital marketing. What AI questions do you guys want to see my office setup? I could go into my office setup. What would you guys like? Let's talk about office. It's nerdy, but even how you touch a computer needs to be efficient. So, for example, you need a Mac computer, you need an external monitor. Technically, you need a monitor where you can see three different screens. That's important. You can't work with just two screens. You can't work with just one screen. There's no way you could work on this God's green earth efficiently with just like one monitor in front of you. Not going to happen. So the way it works out is one screen is a reference screen. For example, if you sign up for the AI community, you're watching the video courses on I'm teaching you how to use Notion, for example. On the second screen is where you're actually doing work. That's your work screen. For example, you're actually setting up your Notion setup so that you can use Notion as your digital brain while you're watching the course instead of having the tab back and forth. Third monitor down below is your task manager and your calendar right there, so that you know what actions you should be working on, what tasks and projects. Look down, you're like checking off your list of everything that you need to get done while you're working and while you're using the reference. And then you have your calendar so that you're always on top of your appointments and you're not late. It's actually very frowned upon if you're late online, so that you show up online, you show up professionally, so that you're always managing your time down to the minute. That's time blocking. Those are the three screens that you need in order to work efficiently online. Of course, also do not use your regular camera, but you need to live stream at the end of the day. So you need a live stream setup in order for you to broadcast, to get the attention of your ideal clients, to deliver value so that they can know who you are, they like you, they trust you, and then you could promote your product or service. All the sales are done online through lives now. All the sales are done online through live. That's where the money is. Like that, you have to go live. I can't stress this enough. Perry's like, I love your desktop setup. I know it's so zen. It's so clean, minimal. But that's, and then also here, notice I don't use the keyboard from the computer. It's like the worst for your wrist. At the end of the day, I don't want you to have carpal tunnel or fatigue as you're on the computer. Ergonomic keyboard with a number pad. It has to have a number pad, and then an ergonomic mouse. Just using those and a mouse pad for your wrist. Trust, just using those tools at the end of for me, I work 10 hours a day. At the end of a 10-hour workday, that's how I'm not fatigued. I could go to the gym, I could walk around. I'm not like, oh, my shoulders are cramped, oh, my back, oh, my wrists are starting to ache, and I'm like, oh, I got to do, like, no. Like, trust, these are little things that are going to help. Perry says, how do you get your ideas for daily live streams? Oh, good. Let's great question, Perry. Pleasure to meet you. Let's zoom out a little bit more. How do I get ideas that I post 6 times a day without ever running out of content ideas? Because that's insane. To post 6 times a day, most people would just 2 times a week. But I'm posting 6 a day and not even worrying about what. Like today, I have to post 6 times a day right after. That's why I got to get off. I got to do my 6 posts. I'm not even going to stress about what do I have to post. We teach a course just to show you guys inside the community what you get real quick. So in the community, we have I got to log in. So let me actually log in. So in the community, we have courses on AI, productivity, everything that I've been mentioning on this free training. That's what we teach inside the AI community. My goal and mission is to level up entrepreneurs. Notice how I'm not in school. If you want to build a community or courses, don't use school. School is trash. That's another topic or discussion. So look at all the courses that we have. We have a course on Notion, ChatGPT, which is prompt engineering, Make.com and AI assistance, digital marketing, and social media content. So these are all, and we're adding new courses. We're adding about 3 new courses every single month on average, which is insane. So in the social media course, I teach you how I create content. So I literally have a swipe file. What's up, Joseph? Joseph, don't forget, today at 12 p.m. is our office hours. I look forward to seeing you there. You always have a wealth of knowledge to share with the community. I always appreciate your wisdom. Plus, Perry's like, school's expensive. I agree. Yeah, it's expensive. It's a shit experience. It's like a horrible platform for courses, communities. I highly recommend. Honestly, Circle is what Circle Community. It's the gold standard. It's literally enterprise university level education, so that you can host. It's cheaper too, which is actually even better. So you get a cheaper, better, more robust platform. You can take a screenshot. Circle is the gold standard for, and then you can even white label your app, so you can have your own professional app in the App Store. More for branding. That looks really cool. All right, let's go to content. Okay, so in the course, we teach you how to do TickTick for task and project management. I have a list for content ideas. Let me go to here. There we go. Okay, so here, there we go. So I have downtime just like you. And while I'm scrolling on TikTok, or I don't even actually waste time on Instagram anymore. I'm just on TikTok. That's where everyone is. So I scroll on TikTok, and if I follow all my competitors. You should follow all your competitors as well too. Pro tip. And if they create a piece of content that I'm like, ooh, that's valuable, that's interesting, I think my audience would love that, or that's a helpful tip for my audience, I'm going to share and then save to TickTick, which is my task and project management. And I have a list called content ideas. So here's a list of 239 pieces of content that I've saved from my competition. And so when it comes time to create content, I'm just going to like budget an hour. And then it takes me roughly 7 minutes to create a 20-second video. And then I'll click this video and I'm like, what is this video about?
How to set up a free AI caller for your business.
Okay, he's talking about AI callers. What's the best AI tool? That's helpful for my my niche. I'm going to create something similar. Now, your content is basically very important. It has 3 components. You need an irresistible hook. It's the first 2 to 3 seconds that grabs their attention, and then they're going to watch the whole video so they know what they're going to get. It stops the scroll. Very important. Second is watch time. Did they watch the whole thing? Third is engage. Did they like, comment, share, stuff like that? And then did you have a call to action? Because this video may get thousands of views. If it gets thousands of views, it would behoove you to actually put a call to action at the very end that says, if you found this valuable, sign up for the free AI newsletter at simpletechskills.com, and you get the AI business toolkit, everything you need to get started. So that's where it's like you should have a call to action to get leads. So when I create content, it's like 3 to 5% of people watch the content and then do that. So I'm like, great. And then I created it. I just kind of check it off and then I move on to the next. So this is how I create. I post 6 times a day, every day, 7 days a week, and I don't run out of content ideas. There's no need. I have 238 videos, and I'm always adding about like 5 new videos a day. So it just compounds. So that's why we teach it in the marketing course, or actually the content course, Perry. We'll teach you how to actually create the list, how to save, how to funnel hack your competition, so that you can post more, and your content actually grows your social media following. For example, I got 3,500 followers in 30 days just through organic content, which is really important. I've actually grown my business all through social media content. That's why most of where you guys actually find me. It's either the lives or the short form videos. Like that's how you guys mostly. I haven't paid a dime on ads.
To set up a free AI caller for your business.
Okay, there we go. Nice, cool. I have 7 minutes before I have to take lunch, create content, and prep for our office hours. Curious Joseph says, you should have a shirt that says simple tech skills for when you stream. I've been thinking about like merch ideas, and I'm even thinking like make FU money with AI, or AI Jedi, or because simple tech skills is like, that's like, it's an easy kind of thing. I like the banner that I added. I'm like, oh, getting fancy with the live streams. Well, actually, you guys, sorry, you guys can't see it on TikTok because you guys are in YouTube world. Sorry. So when I live stream, I'm using Streamlabs. So you can see on TikTok, I have a banner right here. And then in YouTube, when I point, I'm usually pointing more to like TikTok world. But in YouTube, I have a banner here. So that way, I'm always branded 24/7. So when people come in, they'll get some value. And then they're like, oh, this guy knows what he's talking about. I could actually make more money if I listen to him. I should probably get in his world. Oh, Simple Tech Skills. I'm going to go check out his website, get his free lead magnet, get a ton of value, all completely for free. And you know what? I should probably sign up for the AI community because there's only 13 memberships left. After the 13 memberships are gone, the price will literally double. So I do not recommend waiting on joining the AI community. It's an amazing community. We're all entrepreneurs leveraging AI to grow our business online to make FU type money. That's the goal, and that's the community. Everyone's so awesome. People like Joseph and bragging rights as well too. A lot of my community is like on the live stream. If you find this valuable, please just take a moment and subscribe so that you can follow up to date. I go live every single day, 3 times a day. Mostly it's like 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then also at 10 p.m. for the late night crowd. So just know that. But I highly recommend to just get on that. Do you guys have any AI questions? I have 5 minutes left. Do you have any AI questions? Business, marketing questions. It's usually AI, automation, or marketing is like the top 3 things. Man, we jammed through a lot of really cool things. Alberto says, where do we get the funnel? Where you're going to build your funnel is going to be Lead Pages. So I highly recommend signing up for Lead Pages to build your funnel. If you want to get into my funnel, it's at simpletechskills.com. You can sign up. There's a free newsletter there. Like, look at all the things that you get. It's actually pretty insane. For just your email, you get all of these. You get a top 100 best AI tools, 1,400 of my best ChatGPT marketing prompts, a 4-hour ChatGPT prompt engineering course, a 1-hour how to build an AI agent with Make.com. And then you get access to our exclusive Saturday meetups, where every Saturday we jump on a private Zoom. It's only for the email newsletter members. And then I get to understand your business, your goals, and I show you what are the best tools, how to make more money with digital marketing, help you grow your business. Like, that's really exclusive every Saturday, 10 to 11 a.m. So go to simpletechskills.com. That's why I make it easy, nice with the website. Super cool. Driving School says, can you help build a driving app that will be available on the App Store? Nope. Unfortunately, that's a different side of AI talk, I should say. This is entrepreneurs that want to use AI to start or grow their business. But if you want to develop apps, that's a whole different, you're basically a developer. That's a whole different side of TikTok. There's very smart TikTokers that are software developers that can teach you AI or teach you how to use AI tools to build an app. I just don't do that because most of my clients they sell services, they sell products, or they sell AI coaching. Like, we actually have a lot of entrepreneurs that want to become AI consultants and want to like do workshops, which is actually incredibly lucrative too. And so I coach them, give them basically the whole framework on how to become an AI expert so they could go, like, my calendar for April is packed with, I have back-to-back workshops with real estate agents, attorneys, lawyers, small businesses, chamber of commerce businesses, because I get to give 1-hour AI workshops. It's all paid. I'll be transparent. They're paying me $500 an hour to give AI workshops, training, just basically what I've done here. How, like, what are the best AI tools? How are people using them? What's the best tools for my business and stuff like that? Chris says, how do I add the AI to a website that I did not develop? Well, you have to develop. Well, remember, rule number 1, don't build a website. Do not build a website. Build a funnel. You have to build a funnel. Has to be with Lead Pages or Go High Level. Then say, like, this is why this pyramid exists. Because before you get into like chatbots and stuff like that, you have to have the right marketing tools. That's why it's like you can't have like Wix, WordPress, Squarespace, GoDaddy, ClickFunnels, Webflow, Framer, any of those tools. Those are the worst way to actually market your business online, and they're not funnels. So you need 2 funnels, a lead magnet funnel and a sales page. We teach you how to actually build those inside the AI community so that you could get more leads and get more sales online. And we actually break down more of how, like my funnel right here, this is a more lead acquisition system. These are more like funnels here. Good questions. We have 2 minutes. Any last questions? I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Like, I appreciate, really, thank you so much for learning. I go live. I'm going to be back probably 6 p.m. I'm probably going to sneak a little extra 1 hour in there. And so if you want to stay up, join the AI community, or not even join, just get the free, all the free gifts at simpletechskills.com. I highly recommend that. We have the AI business quick start guide, ton of resources to help you think about what are the best AI tools, how to start using them in their business, how to start building, using ChatGPT and make automation. And then you get an exclusive Saturday webinar access with me to do group coaching, basically. Nice. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your attention. Good to see Mimi, driving school, Ami, bragging rights. I'll see you later. Joseph, I'll definitely see you very soon on the call. Perry, pleasure to meet you. She says, thank you, Jonathan. See you in the next live. Absolutely. Alberto, Jazz, I appreciate. See